with Pastor Iyanyi at Iyanyi Ejogo at I am Iyanyi on top Instagram at I am Iyanyi make you follow Pastor Iyanyi on top Instagram and then also for email ejogoiyanyi@yahoo.com ejogoiyanyi@yahoo.com. Our phone numbers go they open now. We're gonna begin the call us to ask questions on top of what we discuss. Pastor, over to you.
Right. Yeah. So before we go to break, we'll discuss the last example we give now when you date with either your fiance or your wife, and then somebody else enter with your own fiance or wife, and then begin give out to your wife or to your husband, say no, see as he mate dress well, see as in you know see him for house when come out. Because you don't see game where better pass your own now. Now you don't the cast. Meanwhile, you know she for your mind she dress well, or you can't see person where dress better. Now you don't say, see, I am always telling you to dress well. But when she dress for house, you don't talk anything, no. You say it do okay. Because you don't want to see person wear cack. You can't look the person they with. That's already in itself.
That's it, they pay, no.
Now the height of casting.
Because a lot of people they do that thing.
Yes.
A lot of people do that.
And then the person where you they cast go now feel bad.
Yes.
You
because that thing is a now low blow. You just turn side the tell you make it dress well, see your mate.
Hey.
You go come they look you.
In fact, Peter say, you know what, I'm not they go again.
If you just free, say because just the car.
So you know what?
And then person when no code, when they even they matured enough to code, say don't spice that person. No go talk sorry. Because okay, relax in the car. I'm just relax. So I'll bring drink for. I said someone to bring drink for you in the car. Even the person, the get away from vex, will come change. He said I was joking. No, you will stay there. You will stay in that car.
And press your phone.
you press that phone. Don't come and form my hand. So maturity they will affect our communication. When you understand, say you did wrong, it is easy to say sorry. Like I explain. When you don't know, say you did wrong, they had you to talk sorry. Okay. When you don't know, say you did wrong, it go hard to talk sorry. So if you don't know, say you did wrong, if they tell make you talk sorry, you go feel say that they force you.
But some people, Pastor, even if some people they know say they did wrong, to talk the sorry now. They just throw away the sorry.
Wait, you said what I explained that before. The way we process information. The way they process information. Why Ingo tell me say, you know like when I talk. Yes. Now to that the first time I don't yap am for public.
So why this one they bite him?
Why Ingo tell me say no like him? Like say yapping your guy or your girl for public na good thing. But for her mind, he said, waiting, not be the first time I don't yap am for outside do that now. So why in the invest? Because that yellow girl they here. You know, why? I beg, not today. See this your head. Come, you know. Come.
And that's the way they do it. You don't see they boil the more.
The person.
They provoke the person the more.
No, really, am I lying?
My sister.
Is it the
I
first
love
time
him
I'm
more,
doing
but have you not seen his head? Am I the only person? Hello, am I the only person seeing head here? See head.
I swear that the last time you will see me with that.
Are you hearing?
And the last time when you will see me with that.
The person will just free you.
Because you know, say this abuse will abuse me. It pain me.
And you see they do. It just they go on and on.
But
and
maybe suppose she don't do them before and you not talk anything. And then she come.
Maybe you want for maturity. You want.
See the example I give now. So because it don't happen before, and the reaction. No, he quiet. You know, he don't make a big deal. You come say, you know, say when you give person an inch, you go enter mile.
Yes.
So what just happen naturally? We say. He like the way him feel when he throw that joke and the reaction when he gets.
Yes.
So if you see that same reaction he go get when people they. So he don't want use you catch trips, but now you be the trips. He don't want use you catch trips.
Be like what's easy between do?
You just come. Say my girlfriend. I don't know if it's only me that I see my husband's scale leg. Take a look, 3 o'clock, you will see something over there.
He said, I'm afraid though, this guy one night, one night give our children this kid. I don't even know who sent me. Even because I really like him.
Haba, is that a joke? Wait, are you angry?
So you're angry with this thing I just said? Chicos, yeah, good evening.
Don't be angry now. If it's my anger,
Hello?
Hello?
Chicos, they talk to us, we they hear you.
Nedu.
Yeah, good evening.
Nedu.
Sir, good evening.
Hey, you there when they born him? He don't answer you. Hello?
Nedu.
Ma?
There's a first caller for Benin.
Okay, welcome.
All right.
Yeah, do that now. It's careful. They do.
Okay, good night. Pastor, continue.
Good night, madam.
Good night. Pastor,
Okay,
continue.
I want to talk to Pastor Ifeanyi.
Oh, yeah, talk.
Pastor Mo, this is your talk on my Bible.
Okay. Thank you, sir. You get question?
I'm not going to question, Jamie. What do you say? I don't like the talk.
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you
All
very
right,
much.
thanks, man.
Thank you very much.
Thanks,
God
man.
bless you. Thank you, Chigos.
Let me talk to ECB.
Hi.
Boss, I hear you. Good evening.
Chigos, say thank you. Good night. Chigos, say thank you. Good night.
Okay, boss, good evening.
Pastor, over to you, Abek.
Yeah.
So you go say, if it's by this scale, like, you will be for a long time more. I bet help me
No,
tell
this thing,
him.
I don't see him before.
And
So
say
wait, wait. So this thing want to vex you?
Do you understand? Almost as though the person now they vex, say you they vex.
You when the vex now, go on the fleece. I be more the vex.
Say, I don't suppose to vex.
I'm not supposed to vex. What does it vex me now?
They can say, oh, you're angry. You will die in that anger. It's not today to end. It means that person completely lacks maturity. Because one of the ways to build effective communication is to understand the emotional reactions of the person. If the person is not responding accordingly, you've not communicated. It means that you don't talk. If you see the reaction, end the joke. It is no longer a joke.
It's not funny again
It's
now.
no longer, the person, you see, he didn't give you that look. He said, why are you looking at me like that now? I said, embarrass in front of all these people. Me embarrass you. Now, me, you just yap my bald head now. So then nothing will come vex. Finish in drink, say, come and take me home. Then now you were the insult. Then you come go and they pursue peace. You go to think. Say, what's happening here now? Don't be me the insult now.
on my own.
And let me do my own.
I was in my
they
house.
insult me.
Don't like him and jump me.
Doesn't make sense. Maturity now, when you see anything no funny, you end them and then still do follow up later. You know, but as everybody can't laugh, they play, they watch one thing for TV, you just come. Say, sorry, I didn't, do small, do small horn, let it go. Or squeeze hand. Or just squeeze hand, say, I'm really sorry. I don't know, I'm sorry about that. Yeah. And then continue.
Everything go end.
You know,
Some people know they end them.
Some werewolves.
He said, no, this first hearing.
We are joined.
From Enugu, good evening. How you doing, Emmanuel?
I did find I like your program. This one, they really discuss very, very sensitive issues.
Which one?
Thank you, my brother. You get questions to ask?
Yes.
Okay.
That's like contribution.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. What I want really just advise people to say, whenever people see situation, make them not just be very, very fast into rushing people judgment of a particular thing.
Okay.
Make them first of all digest what they see before they
Yes.
Jump into conclusion.
Yes. Maybe they don't really take their time. They process information before they take action. Because now what most people they fail to do, most especially people for this region of the world, they don't like think immediately. They
React
like,
first, then go think
Before
later.
they go think.
Yes, they like the one getting immediate.
Oh, as I think get any maturity traits.
Know the after effect of what they do presently. So what they advise people is say maybe whatever thing they do, whatever attitude they display, maybe they think of the aftermath of what they do at that particular.
All right, Mona, thank you very much. Thank you.
thanks,
Good night.
Emmanuel.
Thank you.
I be one answer whether we get your own immaturity traits, for example.
Everybody.
You get what you go identify with. You go say, this thing pass on now maybe this. If that me.
Tonight, we don't give up to 10 examples of.
So you go find your own inside there.
And it's there. Yeah. We know they talk perfection. Would they say they're more conscious?
Yes. Not be batting, but
yes.
maybe deal
they're
with.
more conscious of the other person. Because immaturity just means say you don't even collect feedback. I just show you something not happy. You don't even process them. You still throw another one.
In fact.
Can't involve other people. Say, come see this guy face, this guy face. It means say you're completely oblivious of my feedback I'm giving you. It means say your immaturity level don't off Richter scale. They
don't pass ceiling.
But some people say, if you just carry their khaki and they go, when they laugh, you go no. Maybe in a vex or maybe...
Joseph, good evening.
You go don't lost. You go don't say, this is my husband.
Yeah, how you doing?
Fine, no, you do. Why you fold your hand now? You dey catch cold?
Which question you want to ask us this evening?
The question I want to ask be say,
Yes.
if the person say, I'm sorry,
Okay.
and that's when maybe the fight they go, now tell the person I'm sorry, and the person refuse to accept after you don't stroke him, what would you do in a situation like that?
Okay, I hang up and make we talk.
Hang up, may I
All
answer
right.
you?
Joseph.
Yeah, so they get two dimensions to this thing. You know, say, pepper get degree.
Of Hoffness.
If na small pepper, small water. If na real
Cameroon pepper.
Cameroon pepper.
now to plunge into the swimming pool, stay there for a while. So you see, when you know say person don't vex, and you know say that thing, you say come reason am, know say you don't score reach in heart. No tire to say sorry until you see real reaction. Just once in a while.
That
you
one,
know,
after you do that,
So which
one
means
finish.
not talk
Never
sorry.
ever in
Not
your
talk
life.
sorry for talking sorry
yes,
sake. Oh yeah, sorry, sorry.
Show
No,
sorry.
throw away the sorry.
Then
Sorry,
get
nah.
as person go home and talk sorry. You say go say the person the joke. Say sorry now.
Oh yeah, sorry now. You
Like
said
say,
sorry.
almost as if you said, someone can't even play with you again. You don't talk sorry, you don't talk to the person on the sorry again. You talk sorry. Oh, someone can't even play with you again. So you don't leave the last blow
Just spoil it.
on the person.
So which means the sorry when you dey even talk safe.
you don't talk
no
sorry.
ratio.
You
You
don't
know-
sorry.
You not tell sorry to the person gone.
Yes.
Now just
You just dey talk,
surface.
sorry.
Sorry.
So if not very small, some people feel say some matters they too small to say sorry. How can you be angry about that? Now you know, say that thing they touching button. As you know, enter them into your own hard drive. Into hard
Yes.
drive. It means say no drum. Whether some people now when they know say that the
Yes.
person anger button.
They go
When they
consider-
vex, they
They'll
go
call it
trigger
one
the-
bomb.
yes, they go trigger the, because then too one get negative reaction. Now just signs of immaturity. Somebody sing some years ago, two wrongs
Cannot
don't
make
make
it
it
right.
right. That thing applies in every area.
Nandy,
of
good
life.
evening.
Yes, so.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I'm great. Thank you.
Yeah, which question you get to ask us?
I just wanted to say a little thing about the not being matured.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay.
I know I've in my own relationship I've had a little bit of such and all that.
Now you they do the immaturity, Abi.
Yeah.
Now you be the person where they immature, Abi.
Yes, that year. But I thank God for the kind of person I have. He has corrected everything and all that.
So you can willingly say sorry and move on properly, yeah?
Yes, sure.
Awesome,
Sure.
awesome.
I'm also a first-time caller. Anyways, I've been trying to reach you guys for a while.
For your sake.
Yes.
Do you want
Because you are so pleasant.
because where my hey
Where they carry and go?
hey
Who are these evil
make I give you
Give me.
Because it's you.
because it's you.
Because you are so sweet. Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot,
Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
you.
Kudos to Easy Beat.
Yeah, thank you.
The big
I
head.
knew it. I knew it.
All right, thank
I
you.
knew it.
Bye.
Your voice be like first way they talk. So it's thank you. Thank
Well,
you.
they do.
Back to you,
My
bro.
sister, thank you. Easy bit to do as if you didn't hear it.
Yes, so.
You're going to be immature about it.
Wait. No, don't turn this into a weapon. No. Someone just send office query. Say hello, man. Why are you immature about this? Can't you just talk about you bringing, what's wrong with you? Why are you bringing a letter? Are you immature? All right. So in different ways, and then they affect communication. Once you struggle to express yourself truly to the person where you say you love or something they wrong with your processing mechanism.
Because the truth is, if you know fit understand situation, you know if you talk. About,
Yes.
Some people feel swell with vex. You know if
And
it
they don't know to talk.
you don't fit put the word for
Because
mouth.
they
They
never
talk.
process, they know they process the information. They just stop to the think. They just stop. Say, I'm
What's
angry
wrong
now.
with you? No, I'm okay.
No, it's fine.
No, really. Waiting. You since morning. No, I'm
Fine,
okay.
It's fine. I'll drop
You've
you
been
off at
saying
home.
you're
I will
okay.
drop
Say-
you off at home. I will drop. When you
Is it
hear,
me? No,
when
I'm
you hear I
okay.
will drop you off at home, you know say nothing is fine. No. I'm about to discharge you. I'm going to drop you off at home. Whenever I call you, you take it. If I don't call you, stay in your house. Don't come and look for me. So all these things, and they happen regularly. In marriage, it gets a bit tricky because when you vex for parlor, jam door, enter room, when time to sleep, when they're off TV, now room they come meet you. You know, it's a relationship. You feel vex, enter car go.
Yes, yes.
When you
But,
marry,
yes.
you feel vex, enter kitchen. Then the person where they vex, where the parlor will come to say one drink water. And then that fridge, they say that kitchen where you did. You come the reason now.
Frank, good evening.
So that kitchen are going to now again.
Frank,
Can I manage my test?
Frank,
Good evening.
good evening. You get a question to ask Pastor Yan this evening?
Yo, I be sorry, come on the first one. So
Yeah.
I want to look at somebody where your friend now.
Yeah.
You want some go to the person to forgive the person now come break button now. I want 5 years. What you do?
Jesus. Okay, now it depends on what you do. What you do?
Frank, what do you
Frank, what do you do?
Like for example, somebody now.
Now, for example, what do you do?
What you do?
Exactly what I discuss. I think when it be for public now, yeah, just embarrass the person.
Okay.
Don't go there for
Okay, so you embarrass the person for public.
Okay.
All right, so if they near and you see say violence day, free, go house, use phone, use text, use some of those people where they did that day where you embarrass the person. Talk to this person, don't they talk sorry, say no sense.
You understand? All right, thank you very much, Frank. Hello from Osun State. Good evening.
break bottle?
Oi. Oi.
Honey.
Yes.
All right.
Talk to us.
Good evening.
Who they make
Good
noise
evening.
there? Now your TV there too loud. Reduce your TV volume.
Good evening.
Good evening.
evening.
Ask us your question.
Yes. Pastor, good evening, sir.
Evening, oh, hi.
I really
Good
thank
evening,
God
good
for you
evening.
because that you're talking to me this night.
Wow, awesome. All right, so share.
Talking about maturity and maturity.
Okay, I'm listening now.
I
Share.
have a problem with maturity.
You have a problem with maturity. All right, so
Several occasions of it.
oh, you've had.
I want to ask you a question concerning appreciation. Does it have any good spice it adds to your relationship? Appreciation.
Okay, yeah.
What about trust?
Oh, the person is there. The guy entered the matter. The guy say, like this cock cannot end without my own input. All right. So Oyi and him. She said, where does appreciation come in? Well, appreciation is a mutual thing. But now, it also, how the how the person take process information will determine how when they react. For instance, if you grow up house where everybody talk thank you, everybody say please, everybody they say oh, you did very well. If person don't appreciate you, it go pain you. Pass person where grow up for house where nobody send. You come from school, you don't chop your own.
Send you.
You get so if you not to say the shirt fine, you know vex. If I like here say the shirt fine, but you know vex say you know talk about.
Yes.
You know, pass the person where every time she they come on, you're a princess. As she they grow up, you are lovely.
Hey.
You know, so if you know do you go feel say you no understand the code where they how
ginger.
yes.
You not get high water. You not be winch now. How you go take know how they take it off your house?
Now communication we they talk about now. So in no, you no send. You know, so she can't be saying or the guy be saying one revenge, and the girl no to worry about you're looking fine. So the guy still can't keep quiet. The guy say we're in the team together now. Let's be doing it. Oh, you've not noticed I'm not talking to you? I've not noticed though. When last did I say your dress was fine? I've never told you to tell me my dress was fine. Oh, so you will never tell me? You never told me to tell you that your dress was fine. We need a counselor. I can't do this. It's too much. We need to get a professional. So you're saying, no, but you look, don't you like the way you look? If it's fine for you, then it's fine now. No, I want you to tell me, why must I tell you? Why must I be the one to tell you? You don't know what is fine. Like this watch you're wearing now, don't you know it's fine? That's why you wore it.
Yeah. Then the person will sit down and yours,
Precisely. So now their orientations, both parties now will not be a need to teach them.
Yes.
You see this thing, eh? He like to hear you see goats. You know what they attract he goats? Now that smell, that's that very foul, they attract female goats to you. And that thing where they offend that smell.
For male goat.
The harder the smell, the badder the guy.
Bad guy.
So when goat land, and atmosphere is shut down. When goat land, atmosphere shut down, na him be the don chichi. When the goat just like this, just look around.
That's it.
Atmosphere change. That goat is every babe wants a piece of that brother.
Oh shit.
This guy's so shit. The same way, appreciation triggers endorphins, things that a chemical in the body that makes you feel good.
Yes.
So when a loved one, they even say that if you sleep beside someone that cares for you, someone you care for, you sleep more peacefully. So when people vex, don't sleep. Now there the vex go plenty. When you waka come out, say I will sleep in my room, that night not till like around 2 before you go sleep. Because you go to reason everything, sleep no go gree come.
Yes.
Because you are not even around where you are giving or receiving affection.
Some people they sleep.
Some people they are on wickedness.
Wickedness in high
That wickedness.
Finally, she has gone. Finally.
You went the vex, you go enter. Let me go and see if he's sleeping. Because the guy will not spread like the snow.
You are sleeping and we're quarreling. See, we're quarreling. I didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know
we're quarreling. No.
Allow me.
I thought we just had a disagreement like we normally do. And you just chose to sleep in the other room. You know? So appreciation is a big deal, especially if the person has at some point or the other in the relationship voiced out that they would really like to.
That's why you're wrapping up so that we'll continue. We'll wrap up like in the next 1 minute so that we'll
okay.
continue from
So
next week.
Bottom line, next week we will continue to take questions. Communication and maturity, they're very important. I'm sure say some things that we don't talk don't make sense. So now, feel free to call.
Oh
send,
yeah, I hope you and him. You know,
you and him. The guy mentioned trust. Next week we'll continue that trust.
Yes.
Also.
Anyway, double toilet to Pastor Iya, aka PI, aka keeping it real, 100%. She, you know what I mean? Don't chichi. In case you want to follow Pastor Iya on top Instagram, now at I am Iyanyi, at I am Iyanyi. On top Twitter too, at I am Iyanyi. BBP in there in case you want to join Pastor Iya on top BBP other for Instagram.
Maybe you want to relate when we get some
Questions only.
Now questions only.
Sometimes those things they too many to
don't
read.
ask how is your family.
Just
if you want to ask, if the gist too many, send an emails.
Just send an email. And the email is ejogoiyanyi@yahoo.com. My name is Nedu_. This one is Skata head and that big head we did there. His name is Easy B. Double toilet to K Solo, K Moss, Shapali, Big B, and Banky. Double toilet all of that. Till next week. Bye bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.